Omni Cancun Hotel and Villas. Located between the sparkling Caribbean Sea and the secluded niche-upped lagoon on Cancun Island. This resort offers spectacular views and 5-star services just steps from shopping, dining and nightlife. The well-appointed ocean and lagoon view rooms. Suites and luxury 3-bedroom villas are elegant with luxurious beds, spa-style amenities, in-room safes, air conditioning, coffee machines, hair dryers, iron and ironing boards, and more. Omni Cancun offers a zero-grade entry pool with waterfalls and a swim-up bath. Enjoy the large, 35-person spa bath that overlooks the ocean, while the kids play in the children's pool. Soak up the sun on the palm-lined beachfront, or play a game of volleyball, tennis or basketball. After a day of exploring the fascinating area or playing on the beach, relax with Omni Hotel's spa services. Feel pampered with a massage, body treatment or nourishing facial. Then, loosen up in the steam room. Work out in the fully equipped fitness center or get a new look in the salon. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.